Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locating the commit SHA you want to remove. Use git log one-line or the GitHub commit list. Once identified, decide whether this is a local-only cleanup or a pushed commit that rewrites history, because the steps differ. Make sure to coordinate with teammates if the commit was pushed, otherwise you risk breaking other clones. Now open your terminal in the repository and confirm your current branch. Proceed only when you have a backup branch or tag as a safety net. You will now perform the rewrite. Run git rebase I base commit and mark the target commit as drop or edit, save to apply. If you prefer non-destructive changes, use git revert to create a reversing commit instead. Once the rebase is successful, test locally, then force push only if necessary. Git push force with lease to reduce collision risk. Make sure to communicate the change and provide the backup branch name so teammates can realign their clones without confusion. You finish by verifying the repository state. Run git status and git log to confirm the commit is gone. If you must update the remote, push with git push force with lease after team approval. This protects against overriding new work. Once done, instruct collaborators to fetch and rebase or reset onto the revised branch. If something goes wrong, use git reflog to find the lost commit and git checkout be recover SHA. That recovers history quickly and safely, so keep calm and act methodically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.